Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're whipping up a moist, fluffy, and downright irresistible banana cake. It's the perfect treat for any occasion, so grab those ripe bananas and let's get baking. To make this, the ingredients we need are 8 bananas, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, 1 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and dry fruits as per taste. First, we will mash the bananas and mix them well with the sugar. Ensure that the bananas used are slightly overripe, as this makes them easier to mash into a smooth and creamy pulp. This is where the magic begins. Next, we will add the eggs to this mixture and beat it for a while. Once the mixture is well beaten, we will add the vanilla essence and oil and beat it a little more until everything blends perfectly. The aroma will already start tempting you. After that, we will take 2 cups of flour, add baking powder to it, and mix it thoroughly with the batter. Then, we'll fold in the dry fruits of choice, adding a delightful crunch and burst of flavor to every bite. Finally, pour the batter into a baking pan lined with butter paper. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and then bake the cake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Your delicious and soft banana cake will be ready. The heavenly aroma of banana cake will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Drop a comment below and let us know how your banana cake turned out. See you next time!